Alright, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Abattoir. Today we want to look at important units, part D, and the part D talks about volume. And the big question I want to put across to you now is, what is volume? And the answer is clearly here on the board. Volume is a total space occupied by a solid. Another name for solid is a three-dimensional shape. Alright, so I have some three-dimensional shapes here. I have a 1 liter container, is an example of a three-dimensional shape. I have one DM cube container here, is also an example of a three-dimensional shape. And then I have a stone in form of a cuboid here, is also an example of a three-dimensional shape. In fact, all the shapes you have all around you, in your houses, in your offices, and everywhere in your environment, the physical shapes you have all around you are all examples of solids. Alright, now the basic unit of volume. When you hear volume, what unit should come to your mind? It's what we call the basic unit. Now the basic unit of volume is the cubic meter, written as m raised to the power of 3. Now, apart from cubic meter, we have other units of volume. And I want us to look at them now. Look at other units of volume now. And then, so we have 1000 cubic millimeters is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. This mm raised to the power 3 is read as cubic millimeter. And cm raised to the power 3 is read as centimeter cube, or you say cubic centimeters. Now, 1000 cubic centimeters make 1 cubic decimeter. Now, this is, I have a one cubic decimeter container here. What it means is that the length of this container is 10 cm, the breadth is 10 cm, and the height is 10 cm. So by the time you multiply the length, the breadth, and the height together, you will get this 1000 you are seeing here. So 1 GM cube container is equal or equivalent to 1 liter container. If I get water with this 1 liter container, fill it to the brim, and empty it into this 1 GM cube container I'm holding here, it will fill it exactly to the brim. Alright, now the last unit now will now be 1000 cubic decimeter is equal to 1 cubic meter. So these are the units of volume. So if you want to remember it, you can put it in form of a recitation. You can say 1000 cubic millimeters make 1 cubic centimeter. 1000 cubic centimeters make 1 cubic decimeter. 1000 cubic decimeters make 1 cubic meter. So you can go over the recitation. If you don't understand, play the video back and then get accustomed to the recitation so that you no longer forget the units. Thank you very much for following. But before you go, I want to give you something for you to try. Alright? So, for easy identification, I picked all the units and then I put them in a line this way, alongside with the connection of 1000 each. Alright, so in my next video, we'll be using this unit to perform some calculations in volume. So let me give you something for you to try. It's a classwork now, so pick up your pen and your book and do this classwork for me. Number 1, what is volume? In your own language, define volume. And then number 2, what is the basic unit of volume? Just write down the basic unit of volume for me. Thank you very much for staying till the end. I'm grateful. Remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Bye for now.